Range Forest Officer of Kakching and Munal Maiti said that out of the total land area, which is 22,327 square kilometer of Manipur, 17,418 square kilometer is covered with forests, thus constituting 70% of the total area. However, unfortunately, according to the Forest Survey of India Report 2017, out of 1,467 square kilometer reserve forest area, Manipur lost 449.02 square kilometer of forest areas. Normal life in MOREH has been affected today due to the ongoing 24-hour ban being called by Kuki pressure groups in condemnation of yesterday's incident, where police personnel used tear gas to control mob violence that took place at the border town. It may be mentioned that the mob violence resulted after an altercation erupted between MOREH commando team and two civilians near the MOREH integrated checkpost. Reportedly, casualties including police personnel was also reported in related incident. Technopole District Administration has imposed CRPC Section 144 for 1 month in MOREH in view of the law and order situation in the town bordering Myanmar, officials said. Some people were injured during a violent incident that took place yesterday in front of MOREH Hospital after a team of MOREH Commando near MOREH Integrated Checkpost. Reports said the incident took place after the commando team stopped two persons coming in a two-wheeler for frisking and checking. In Manipur, one cop has been placed under suspension for spreading rumors about coronavirus. Ahibam Ranjan Singh, a personnel of Imphal West District Police, has been suspended for spreading rumors about detection of one positive case of COVID-19 in Manipur. The order issued by Imphal West District Superintendent of Police K. Megachandra said the cop has been suspended for his grave misconduct. Continuing its endeavors towards a relationship with the local administration and populace, including a number of social organizations and the village communities, 26 Assam Rifles Thobal Battalion of Headquarter 9 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IZAR South handed over a water storage tank for rainwater harvesting at Rimpam Village, Technopole District today. The project was undertaken under Assam Rifles Civic Action Program for the financial year 2019 and 2020. The program was held at Rimpam Village, wherein village chairmen and locals were also present. US President Donald Trump has declared a national emergency to help handle the growing outbreak of coronavirus. The declaration, two very big words according to Mr. Trump, allows the federal government to tap up to $50 billion in emergency relief funds. According to media reports, the move loosens regulation on the provision of healthcare and could speed up testing, the slow pace of which has been criticized widely. Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu requested Narendra Modi to approve and allow the export of masks and pharmaceutical raw materials to Israel during his telephonic conversation with his Indian counterpart this week, according to media report. It is reported that Benjamin Netanyahu made the request after India decided to stop the export of these items to meet its own domestic requirements in view of the rapid spread of coronavirus.